Good evening, bargainers. And today, we set the mood. So, what I have for you today is Premium Essential Oil Diffuser. So, let's see what Asakuki has to offer. Instruction manual and a little satisfaction card. And that was easy. Wow. So let's go ahead and open her up and see what's inside. Okay. We have a little measuring cup and a power outlet. Pretty cool. So I've gone ahead and plugged in the oil diffuser from the rear right here. And what you have in the front, basically 3 simple buttons. This is for the lights. The next, you have the water. Of course, you have to put water in there. And then you have the timer. So let's go ahead and put some water in there. Go ahead and put 100 milliliters. And next, we're gonna go ahead and cover her up. Then press power button. This humidifier has different colors. So it can be placed in any room, and of course, it wouldn't clash with the decor. Now I really love this wooden detail over here. The other buttons in the front. The first one is to adjust the level of the mist. Of course, the detail is so fine that you can't really tell, but from my angle, there's actually more mist coming out. Press it one more time. And a little bit less. Now the next button is a timer. And their option for time is 1 hour, 3 hours, or 6 hours. And if you press it one more time, it turns the whole system off. Now, you're probably thinking to yourself, how could this get any better? How could I possibly make such a masterpiece get any better? Well, introducing the top 8 essential oil sets. What we have here is the top 8 essential oil set. Each individual oil has its own property to one, set the mood and give you a sense of calmness. So first, we have tea tree for wellness, lemongrass to purify, sweet orange for motivation, frankincense to soothe, lavender, my favorite, to calm, eucalyptus to energize, rosemary to focus, and peppermint for spa ambiance. Perfect set. So now I'm going to go ahead and choose lavender, which happens to be my favorite, and everyone knows lavender helps you sleep. So I always spray my bed sheets and my bedroom with lavender scents. Go ahead and place. You only need 1 or 2 drops of oil for every 100 milliliters. Oh, that's it. Oh my God, it smells fantastic. Place it right back in. Cover the premium essential oil diffuser. And we have liftoff. We'll get a little bit more mist in here. Oh, if only you could smell this. It smells heavenly. So you're probably thinking to yourself, now that I have the humidifier, where can I place it? Well, one, you can place it in your bedroom while you're asleep, get you that nice, calm, soothing, relaxing atmosphere using the lavender. You can place it in your office while you're doing some hard work. You put in the rosemary, and of course, it will help you focus. One of my pastime activities is to meditate. So I would gladly put some tea tree in there to help me rejuvenate and de-stress myself after a long day at work. So as far as pricing for the humidifier, it runs you $29.99, $30 for a 700 milliliter diffuser that comes with LED light. I think it's pretty nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 5 out of 5 bargain stamps of approval. As far as functionality goes, this diffuser has multiple uses. If you don't want to use this as just a simple humidifier, you can use this to replace all those hazardous air fresheners if used with the essential oil scents. Because of that, I'm going to go ahead and give it a 5 out of 5 bargain stamps of approval. Next, we have look. The humidifier comes with multiple color settings so it can fit in any room. And of course, this nice looking wood finishing on the top and around it just makes it look beautiful. So for looks, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 5 out of 5 bargain stamps of approval. So as far as durability goes, well, everything here is made out of hard plastic. And as long as you're not me dropping things down the stairs from the 2nd floor, I think this will last. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 5 out of 5 bargain stamps of approval. Which brings us here to a grand total of 20 bargain stamps of approval out of 20. So I hope you've enjoyed this review of the Premium Essential Oil Diffuser. And don't forget to get your hands on the top 8 essential oil set, which goes perfectly with your brand new oil diffuser. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. It's fun, it's free, and who doesn't like free? I know I do.